Welcome back. We are now going to start the process of starting a new campaign. We're going to select a specific account. We're going to choose our objective, which is going to be sales. We're then going to click Continue. We're then going to click Video Advertising. We're then going to click Continue. We're then going to set our daily budget. We're then going to choose our networks, and we are running YouTube ads, so our networks are pre-selected. We're going to choose the location where we are going to interact. We're going to choose the language our customers speak. We can choose our inventory, and we're going to go with the recommended inventory, which is standard inventory. We're then going to choose which audiences we want to exclude. We can choose whether to add additional links to our advertisement. We're then going to click Save. We're then going to give our ad group a name. We can then choose specific demographics, and we can choose household income. Now, if we have decided on specific audience segments, we can choose it here in this area. And it's here where we can determine if people have specific interests or purchase intentions. We can include them here in this area. If we want to have people that have previously interacted with our business, we're going to place that information here. And it's here where we're going to choose our in-market segments based on the research that we did with our Audience Finder tool. Now it's here where we can choose a video, or we can create a video in a few steps. And we're going to walk back through this process here in this area, and we're going to stop the video here and create a video. Okay, so with that, thanks, and I will see you in the next video.